So here with me is a question from 2022 about variation GCE. So the question states, y varies directly as x and as inversely as the square of z, and y is equals to 8 when x is equals to 4 and z is equals to 1. Find a value of k, the constant of variation. So here the question states, y varies directly as x, so which means y varies directly as x and inversely as the square of z. So and inversely, which means over. Inversely, so which means over. So inversely as the square of z. Yes. So whenever you see this sign, this means the constant. So we are looking for the constant here, which is the varies. So here is y is equals to k x over z squared. So we are given these three numbers. So we'll do y is equals to k, which we are looking for, x, which is 4, and z, which is 1 squared. So again, let us not forget we have 4. We have the y here, which is given as 8. So 8 is equals to k multiplied by 4, 4k, and 1 squared, 1. So once we have this, we can cross multiply, which is 4k is equals to 8 over 4 over 4. So k is equals to 2. So once we have this, then we'll find the variation. Hence we can state, therefore k is equals to 2. So let us go to B. B says, find the value of y when x is equals to 9 and z is equals to 1. So this is the formula that we make here. This is the formula. So once you have this formula, you can use it now to find all these questions that follow, which is find the value of y when x is equals to 9 and z is equals to 1. So let's now find the value of y, which is here. So again, this is the second formula. Now, which is the final formula that we should use. So this is the final formula now that we should use to find these questions that follow. So we'll start. Y is equals to k x z squared over. So y is equals to the letter that we are looking for, then k, which we are find is 2. So 2. What is our x? X is equals to 9. Z 1 squared. Y is equals to. So just an emphasis. Whenever you are finding the questions after the constant, you use these variables that we have given you to find the questions that follow. So here, as you have seen, I've replaced every number with the numbers that they have given me in that question, not the numbers that they gave me in the first question. So we'll start. 2 multiplied by 9, which is 18, over 1 squared, which is 1. So y is equals to 18. So let us go to C. So therefore, y is equals to 18. So find the value of z when x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 54. So again, we use this formula that we generated ourselves, which is y is equals to kx over z squared. So we're taught to find the z. Now, as we can see here, instead of doing anything, we'll just cross multiply here so that we can make z the subject of the formula. So it will be yz squared is equals to kx. So to make z the subject of the formula, we divide here by y and here by y. So it will remain z squared is equals to kx over y. So z squared is equals to kx over y. So z squared is equals to the two that we find our k, open bracket, 3 over y, which is 54. Z squared is equals to 6 over 54. So, as we can see here, this is a paper 2 question. So, we have always to remember that when we are dealing with paper 2, we should always remember that we do not use it.